They out there panicking right now. I can feel it. They out there. They're panicking. Look at them.
Now, you're not naive enough to think we're living in a democracy, are you, buddy? It's the free market. And you're part of it.
What's happening? What's happening? Shout out to all those new investors and traders. Right now, you're tuned in to Hood Money Investing. It's Sunday. Been doing some homework, checking out the market, learning, trying to look at different strategies and techniques, and looking at the language and different terminology as well. But I wanted to talk to you new beginners in investing about that homework that I was telling you about, because I happen to show you some stocks that I picked a while ago that did extremely well. One was Vivian Solar, a company that I plan on furthering my position in. It's a solar company that dabbles in solar. They build panels for roofs and homes. They also deal with security systems and networks. Plug Power. What else? I think it was about 3 companies or 4 that I happened to pick out that was doing pretty well. I caught Neo when it was down pretty low. Right here, this 9. I think this company, if it breaks past like 90 cents, is going to do pretty well. I've been doing a little bit of research on that. It's a blockchain gaming company that does a little bit of software networking, and they make games, I guess. It's a little bit more to it though, but like I said, do your own homework. I'll read up as much as I can on a company, and I might not give you everything, you know what I'm saying? You might have to go a little bit more into detail yourself as far as looking at a company. GameStop, I'm going to further my position even more on my other platform as well, because I just think that this company may break through. It's already, I watched it go from about $3 myself just over a period of time. Now it's up to $9. I caught it at about $6-7. But most of them I caught at $8. And the highest it went up to was like 11.17, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so I want to talk to you about Tesla real quick, because they just happen to ended up partnering up with PLL. This is Piedmont Lithium. And this is a company, as you go down, you can go down here and read it yourself. Piedmont Lithium Ltd. engages in the exploration and development of mineral properties. Its activities include geology and drilling campaigns and regional infrastructure. The company was founded on September 27, 1983, and its headquarters is Australia. The FINRA-listed name for PL is Piedmont Lithium Limited, American Depository Receipts. And this is for the batteries in Tesla's cars, okay? And I happen to come across another company that may be doing, they may be partnering with Tesla as well, excuse me. That's Vale. As you can see right now, Vale is 1050, down 19%. After hours, as you can see, 1.06%. I'm still learning a whole lot about the percentages and everything, but I definitely know how to read the charts as far as if a stock is progressing quarterly, as far as the balance sheets and the market cap and the volume, and then I'll read the quarterly reports, and based on the need of that product at this time, because there are stocks that may not have been doing good 3 years ago or 4 years ago because that technology may have been too advanced or that product may not have been needed or something like that. So I'll base it on the demand as well. I'm just not looking at the charts. I'm just not looking at the numbers. People looking at RSI and it's a lot of things that go into a stock. Sometimes you have to look at a stock like it's taking a trip. You know what I mean? And that was a good explanation. That was like a good way someone told me, it's like taking a trip. Sometimes it's going to take a stop, gotta get some gas, but for the most part, you have to think about it as far as where it's going, and that's how I see Vale. If they can potentially partner up with Tesla in some sort of way because they make nickel. Okay, and or not make nickel, they mine nickel. I'm sorry, and if they happen to partner with Tesla, they're gonna this stock could potentially go up. Okay, so I just read you a little bit, and excuse me, like I said, I'm a beginner as well, and this channel is for beginners, but I'm doing my best to learn as much as possible. I've been invested for about 2 years, and I've been option traded for about 8 months. I haven't been very good the first 3 or 4 months, but the last 2 or 3, I've been learning a lot. So, I felt like it was time to take some of this information and help those like me, those that may be trying to learn a little bit more about investing and trading, that may want to jump in, that may not have enough information. And, they may be coming across too many people that are advanced that aren't given the surface level of the comfortability. Should I put my money in it? And I think you should. It's a good investment. Definitely pay off more than a bank if you research the right companies and put your money into the right companies. It'd be like investing in a friend. If you really believe in that friend, that friend's track record, that friend's capabilities, that friend's reliable. You can say, okay, I can put my money into that, so it's no different. That's how I feel. And and it's not always about the feelings, that's just my way of saying I'm comfortable enough with putting my money in it. It's win, lose, or draw. You see what I'm saying? And that's the mentality that you have to have. It can't be, oh, I'm expecting. It has to be, what I'm looking forward to, the information that I've come across. I looked at the balance sheets. I looked at the company. I looked at the CEO, what the CEO's been doing. I've been looking at how, it's been reacting to its customers, the consumers, and just, you just do a little bit of background check. I mean, no different than you would a president or a candidate, a politician, a pair of sneakers, you know what I'm saying? What the rubber look like, what type of cloth is made out of, it's the same exact thing. It's no different. You know what I'm saying? And when you buy sneakers, you don't get anything out of it but the comfortability and, the satisfaction of them looking good on your feet and people enjoying them and you enjoying them as well. You see what I'm saying? So you would have to look at it like that. Like if you didn't make any money, of course you don't want to lose no money in the stock market, and nobody's going to get to see the stock that you're holding, but it's the potential of what the stock can do. Like if you could waste your money spending, what I'm saying is if you can waste your money just to look good in a pair of $70 sneaks or $200 sneaks, you can put $70 or $200 in the stock that could potentially grow, exponentially. You know what I'm saying? And sorry for sitting it on that one stock right there. I just was trying to break this down to you. But like I said, yeah, Vale is a company that mines for nickel, I believe, and they're potentially could partner up with Tesla. You can go check that. You can go check this article out on Yahoo Finance. So check it out yourself. Official corrections, minor valve in talks with Tesla EV sector for Canada nickel executive. But right now, I'm going to read about Vale. SA engages in the production and exploration of iron ore, pallets, manganese, and iron alloy, which are raw materials needed for steel making. It operates through the following segments: ferrous minerals, coal, and base metals. The ferrous minerals segments include the extraction of iron ore and the production of pallets, manganese ore, iron alloys, and coal and logistics service. The coal segment comprises the extraction of coal and its logistics service. The base metals segment involves the production of non-ferrous minerals, which includes nickel, copper, and aluminum. The company was founded on June 1st, 1942, and its headquarters is Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The FINRA list name of Valve is Valve SA. Okay, now, like I said, don't pay me any mind. It says buy. It's definitely pretty high. But this is not just about Tesla either. This company could possibly partner with other EV companies as well. You dig what I'm saying? So, I just had to get that 36, chop it up, break it down, pass that out, pass that work out, ounce at a time, and see what y'all want to do with it, because, like I said, man, if you really take your time to research these companies, you could potentially grow your money exponentially. So what I decided to do is to take a long call. As you can see, I have a couple of hours tied up in some calls and some puts. But what I did today was I wanted to go ahead and take two contracts of Valve and take it long to about January. You know what I'm saying? Since they low right now, about $15 for 100 shares. I'm saying to myself, okay, well, with that information, I believe that, in the next couple of months, they potentially partner up with an EV company. And if not, I still believe that company can go over $14-15. You see what I'm saying? That's just my opinion. So I just wanted to bring you that, like I said, break this open, pass out this work. See what y'all think. I hope y'all been doing some research, and if you still a little bit shaky about getting in due to everything that just happened with Donald Trump with the COVID nasty 19, I feel you. You know what I'm saying? It's no different than when the block get a drought. You out there waiting for the work. So you trying to figure it out and see how it's looking so you can get it cooking. I get it, but don't wait too long, because the stock market was doing pretty good, and the clues that they've been given, it's going to possibly be better than ever. So please do your due diligence and do your homework and do your research. And to all the beginners like myself, please, if you have any strategies, you come across any information, another tube, another channel, book, magazine, it doesn't matter. Please, share that information, because we're all out here trying to receive as much information as possible so we can gain the knowledge to trade and invest like experienced professionals, so, and then one day maybe we will become experienced professionals and continue to give out this information to people that need it, and breaking it down in the simplest forms, so it's not too complicated. So forgive me for, rambling, but like I said, please do your research on Tesla. Vale, you can also go check out PPL. Like I said, that's the heck is this with that? PLL. Sorry. Piedmont Lithium. That's another company, that just partnered up with Tesla, and it just like skyrocketed. I think it went up to like $40. Let me see. All right, we're in the last week. Yeah, it went up September 28th. It went up to $53, $53. So it's down 11, down 30%. So it shot up when that little partnership was announced, or when people finally heard it. this stock shot up, so I'm not saying, I'm no financial advisor, like I tell you all the time, I'm just someone that's taking some time to research stocks and investments, and I think it's a good strategy as far as investing your money. But as far as listening to me, as far as my strategies and my techniques, please, try to figure out your own. I'm not saying you can't look into the companies and, invest in those companies. I'm saying do your own research and find the reasons why you would like to put your money in it, not why I would like to put my money in it. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, please do your due diligence, do your research, do your homework. And this is Hood Money Investing. We're going to take it from the corner to the stock exchange, and we're going to do what we do. Take that 36, flip it, and turn it to these investments out here getting it. Once again, shout out to you new investors and traders. This is Hood Money Investing. I'm out.
They out there panicking right now. I can feel it. They out there. They're panicking. Look at them.
Now, you're not naive enough to think we're living in a democracy, are you, buddy? It's the free market. And you're part of it.
Something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. You got a minute?
After everything we've done for you.
Oh, see, I made Lewis a bet here. Lewis bet me that we couldn't both get rich and put you on the poorhouse at the same time. He didn't think we could do it. I won.
I lost. $1.
Thank you, Lewis.
After you.
Certainly.